Attention all hard hats, get ready to witness the future of construction. Meet the game changer on your site, the autonomous bricklaying robot. This bad boy can lay up to 3,000 bricks a day, making your toughest jobs a breeze. Just set it up and watch it go. No more back-breaking labor, just precision and speed. It's like having a superpowered teammate. And guess what? It's not just fast, it's smart too. With laser-guided accuracy, it ensures each brick is perfectly placed. Say goodbye to human error and hello to flawless walls. This is the future of construction, and it's here to stay. So, are you ready to embrace the tech revolution? Your job just got a whole lot easier and way cooler.